Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Pinterest. We go to settings. Here in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to this window of Pinterest and you will click here. In this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.